Welcome to MacNeil Tech, the wash experience. My name is Scott Ferry, and I work for Budco Distributing, a distributor of MacNeil wash systems. Today we're going to talk about the adjustment of the SuperFlex post. This is to verify that the installation is correct. Before we do any other adjustments on the SuperFlex, we must first verify that the installation is correct, and we do that by adjusting the post. We're going to demonstrate how to adjust the post to achieve our desired result, which is that the arm will naturally fall away from the center line of equipment. Anytime we perform service on the SuperFlex wraparounds, we want to shut the air off and bleed off the excess. So we use this ball valve to shut off the air, and then we can override one of these solenoids to bleed off the excess. Now that we've turned the air off to the air cylinder, it will be much easier to pull the bolt out to remove the cylinder from the post. The reason that we remove the air cylinder from the post is it allows the arm to float freely between the stops. Now that we've disconnected the air cylinder from the post, it will allow the brush arm to move without restriction between the stops. And we want this to be able to drift in a slow and smooth manner to the outside or away from the center line of equipment. In this case, our brush has a tendency to float or fall to the center line. So we know we need to make an adjustment on the post. To achieve our desired result to level the post, we use the leveling feet. We can either raise or lower the inside foot or raise or lower the outside foot to give us our desired result. To do that, in this case, we want to raise the inside foot. We'll just take our wrench and raise that. Oh. Using really good wrench skills. Really good wrench skills, and then secure the top. We've now adjusted our brush post, and our brush post is not necessarily plumb. The reason for that is we want this brush to be able to fall away from the center line of equipment. We want that to be a smooth, not fast, movement to the outside. The reason we want that is we have a fairly low setting for wash pressure. It's between 5 and 10 psi. And by having the brush fall away from the center line of equipment, it allows us to use a higher wash pressure, which is more accurate on the air regulator. Now that we've completed the adjustment to the post on the SuperFlex, we're going to re-secure the air cylinder to the post. Once it's secure, we can turn the air back on to the SuperFlex, adjust the air pressure, and then test wash a vehicle. That concludes our demonstration of the adjustment of the SuperFlex post. Thank you for joining us at MacNeil Tech, the wash experience.